morning, students, and welcome back to our next session of tissues. This is the third video. In the last video, we learned about the plant tissue, and now we are going to learn about animal tissue. Now, children, on the basis of their function, they are first classified into four types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous. Epithelial itself says that is it forms the like type of the skin. So they are further classified into squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated, striated. Depends on the shape. Squamous, cuboidal. We'll learn this in detail again. Okay. Now epithelial, then connective. Connective further classified into areolar, which consists of air, adipose means which consists fats, skeletal further divided into bone and cartilage, fluid, blood, and lymph. The third one is the muscular. Striated muscular, smooth, cardiac. Striated means they show striation after they are stained, as we have voluntary, involuntary muscles and the cardiac muscles and the nervous. So animal tissue classified into four main parts: epithelial, which forms the outermost covering, the connective tissue, epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous. Four main parts. Then epithelial further classified into squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated, and stratified. Connective further divided into areolar, adipose, skeletal, fluid. Areolar further divided into tendon and ligament. Skeletal, bones and cartilage. Fluid, blood and lymph. Muscular tissue, striated muscular, smooth muscular, cardiac muscular. And last is the nervous tissue. So this is the classification of animal tissue on the basis of their function. Now let us first study in detail about the epithelial tissue. Here it is made up of a continuous sheet of densely packed cells with like little space or intercellular material between them. There is a little intercellular material between the cell. Basal membrane is usually present. Now main functions of this epithelial cell is they form the outer covering or the lining of all body surface, which is the skin, both internal and external, to protect cells from mechanical injury and water loss. This is the main function. Second, some have special function of absorption, secretion, excretion, sensation, respiration, etc. Now let us first see the detailed epithelial cell. It consists of cells which form membranes. I told you first only it forms the layer. It forms the outer membrane. It's a protective layer. This membrane covers the body surface and the glands. So this main function of epithelial cell is what? It covers the body surface or the glands inside the body. The covering of the protective tissue in the animal body are epithelial tissue. Epithelium covers most organs and cavities within the body. It is also formed the barrier to keep different body systems separate. Different body systems are separated with the help of these epithelial cells. The skin, the lining of the mouth, the lining of the blood vessel, lung alveoli, kidney tubules are made up of epithelial cells. The cells are tightly packed and form a continuous sheet. There is no intercellular space between them. They have only a small amount of cementing material between them and almost no intercellular space. Now I told you first also what is intercellular space? The space between the two cells. So cells are so closely packed, there is no intercellular space. ये जो गैप दिख रहा है वो गैप नहीं होगा उसके बीच में. They are very tightly packed, very closely arranged. Okay, so here are the different types of epithelial cells. They are simple, striated, columnar, cuboidal. Depends on the shape. Now let us see how are they. See here. Simple squamous कैसा है? Can you see the figure? Okay. Simple found in the lens of the eyes and inner ear. A thin sheet. Okay, a thin sheet of cell found in the lens of the eyes. Stratified squamous forms the external layer of the skin and lines of the mouth and pharynx. Cuboidal means cube shape, mostly found lining small ducts and tubules of the kidney and the gland. And simple columnar found in the trachea, bronchi, digestive tract, secrete fluid and absorb digestive food. Let us see the classification of epithelium. Simple means made up of single cell. So they are simple. They are said to be simple. Stratified, made up of many cells. Now they are named according to shape of the cell. Can you see? Columnar means they are like long pillar like. Okay, simple columnar and stratified columnar. Simple columnar and stratified. Simple cuboidal, cube shape, and simple squamous. This is squamous shape, polygonal shape. Now let us see the types of epithelial tissues, their structure, where they are located in the body, and their function. Now first is squamous epithelium. How is the structure? Cells are thin, flat, irregular cells which fits like the tiles of the floor. फ्लोर में टाइल्स कैसे लगी होती है, एक के साथ एक जॉइंट, दैट वे टू फॉर्म अ डेलिकेट लाइनिंग कॉल्ड पेवमेंट एपिथेलियम. ओके, सो न्यूक्लियर ऑलवेज इन द सेंटर. इसका न्यूक्लियस हमेशा उसके सेंटर में होता है. इट्स फाउंड इन द ईसोफेगस, लाइनिंग ऑफ द माउथ, एल्विलाई ऑफ द लंग्स एंड ब्लड वेसल्स. इसका फंक्शन क्या है? इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द अंडरलाइंग टिश्यू फ्रॉम इंजुरी एंड जर्म्स. ओके, exchange of gases in lungs and material between cells and the blood. Exchange of gases takes place. Again, next, cuboidal cells, cuboidal epithelium. Cells are cuboidal with the rounded nucleus in the center. Again, the nucleus where in the center. Cuboidal may be center, squamous may be center. It is found in the kidney tubules, duct of salivary glands. Now, what is the function? It gives mechanical support. At times, the epithelial tissue forms a gland that secretes substances. Such epithelium is called glandular epithelium. That means sometimes it secretes some substance. Okay, such epithelium is called glandular epithelium. Next is columnar. Their cells are mostly tall and less wider. They are narrow, pillar like. Okay, placed side by side, closely packed, and nuclei is where at the base. यहाँ सब nuclei base में है. Here the nuclei are at the center. Now where they are found? Inner lining of the intestine, in respiratory tract. Cells have cilia. Cilia means hair like structure. Suppose this is the cell, उसमें hair like projection is called cilia. Okay, that moves and push the mucus to clear. Such epithelium is called ciliated columnar epithelium. Columnar तो है because of the shape, but because it has cilia, it is also called ciliated epithelium. Helps in absorption, secretion, and excretion. Now striated squamous epithelium. Squamous flat cells arranged in many layers to prevent wear and tear. Here they form many layers. Striated है but squamous है. Arranged in many layers. So they are found in skin to prevent wear and tear, tongue, esophagus, lining of the mouth. Protection, prevent wear and tear. So these are the types of epithelial cells, their structure, the location in the body, and their functions. Now in the next video we will see about the other different types of tissues. Thank you.